It is 8:30 in the morning. My name is Percy Mescuddy, but people call me Zosh, and I am here to pledge allegiance to the bag. Hey man, these daily uploads ain't gonna upload themselves. Know what I mean? But we're on our way to Fred's house because today is his dyno day. He's getting dyno tuned. Bro, my Integra had to sleep outside last night. And when I tell you I was paranoid, bro, I was paranoid. Like a mofo. I trade you my T's and a 4-lug for your 5-lug in Vegas.
How about you ask the Mustang guy?
Nah.
Oh, I'm so tired.
I bet. Fred be late to his own appointment. Oh, come on, dog. Fuck. Look at my poor shifter, dog. Man. I gotta put some black nail polish there, dog. But we made it to the spot where we're gonna be dynoing Fred's car and a couple other cars. There's no one here yet, but we're here, even though we're late as hell, but that's good because nobody's here. Hobby's not even here yet, so yeah, man. Damn, I look kind of good. There go the goat. What's up, Hobby?
It's good. I know you wanna leave Miami, dog. Alright, so y'all know what time it is, man. When I hop on the motherfucking rollers.
You finna do what?
Lava. Hop on the rollers.
Fish, dog. You finna hop on it, huh? Swimmer. Already. So yeah. That's Fred's built. Did you plug at the ground?
Sounds like you're not even connected. You sure?
You sure the ground is still connected, bro?
Smack that bitch.
I ain't got nothing to hit it with.
It wasn't grounded though.
How you feeling, big dog?
Nervous like a motherfucker, bro. I put too much money in this bitch, bro.
You did put a lot of money. I'll be finna get you right, bro. I'll be about to get you right. Hey, Hobby, made like 650. He wants like 650. About 7, honestly.
I'll give you 5. 525.
525.
Alright, Javi, I'm good, bro.
Go, bro. One day, I'll be just like Fred. One day. B16 is, bro, that's beautiful.
That thing is different.
Facts. B-Series VTEC hit different. That VTEC crossover is nasty, dog. I'm so afraid standing in front of this shit, dog.
Man, I don't want to be right here.
Yeah.
Too close.
B20 powered. First pull it made 148, I think. Second pull time. You got a leak. It's leaking from the header. Yeah. I know what it's leaking from though too though. 146. Successful dyno day. Fred's walking out here tuned. I'm walking out here tuned. Everybody good. Beautiful dyno place. Dude treated us good. It's nice, bro.
Enjoy it, bro. Safe, guys. Guys, drive safe. You know? Alright.
Yes, sir. Thank you, man.
And you.
Alright, G.
Alright, dog. See you around.
Have fun with it.
Alright, G.
Alright, bro.
What is the limiter?
86.
Alright, my
Hit me up when y'all going to the track on my line.